Hear the camera? Neither can I. My Olympus is in the silent mode, no sound at all. Hi, I'm Peter Forsgard, an Olympus visionary from Helsinki, Finland. One advantage with the mirrorless cameras have is that they can be totally silent, because there is no mirror to make the sound. Mirrorless have an option to use an electronic shutter. It's a great way to make pictures in situations where it's not okay to make any sounds. I have used it in many occasions, making pictures in a podcast studio, making stills for advertisement film, and made those pictures during the time they were actually filming and podcasting. It's a very good feature when making pictures for small animals or birds. The sound of the shutter won't scare them away. You can turn on the silent mode in the menu. In OMD EM1 Mark II, it's the first menu, shooting menu 1. There's a link in the description in this video to more information on how you can find the silent mode in your Olympus. There's also a quicker way. Press the OK button, open the super panel and choose it from there. From custom menu D1 in EM1 Mark II, you can choose if the silent mode is one of the options in super panel. If you never need it, then just turn it off and it won't show in the options. In shooting menu 2, there is an option to tweak the silent mode settings. It's possible to set a delay from pressing the shut button to the time the photo actually is made. The options are from 0 seconds to 30 seconds. This works a lot like the self-timer. On the same menu there is an option to make other adjustments. In silent mode all these options should be like this, not allowed. The only negative side on the silent mode is that it can sometimes cause the rolling shutter effect, which means that a moving subject can be a little skewed. This was the 9th episode of my Olympus Tutorials using Olympus. There is a link to more information on the silent mode in the description of this video. You can find information how to set up silent mode in your Olympus. My example was from EM1 Mark II. After you have watched the previous episodes, go and subscribe to my channel. There is more to come. Thanks for watching and bye for now.